What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cashed Out, and today we're going to be talking about the best OtterBox case that's not made by OtterBox. I used to be a huge fan of the OtterBox cases. I love the Defender series. If you guys have never seen those, they're awesome cell phone cases. They actually have multi-layer protection and have built-in screen protectors as well, and they're absolutely fantastic. But I used to get those cases all the time with every cell phone that I got, from the first Android phone that I got in high school all the way up to the first iPhone that I got as an adult. But it kind of got a little bit pricey buying those cases because they ran about $49 to $60 per case depending on the phone. And I started switching phones a lot more, started getting phones every year or every couple months or so, and it really started adding up. So I started looking for an alternative to the OtterBox Defender cases, maybe finding a brand that's not as expensive but still gives me as good quality, if not better. And it took a little while, but I've ended up on the Supcase UB Pro series, and this has probably been my favorite discovery or my favorite find in terms of a cell phone case, because it gives me everything that I loved about the OtterBox Defender cases at half the price. It gives me everything that OtterBox gives me without having to pay double. So really cool find. So I wanted to go through this case, kind of talk a little bit about the design, some of the features, and some of the things that I love about it, and just kind of let you know why this is such an exciting thing for me to be able to talk about this case right now. So let's dig right into that. To start off, design-wise, this case comes with a two-layer design. The first layer is the front casing, which also includes a screen protector, and it also includes that deep bezel, which is an absolute fantastic thing and one of my favorite things about this case, because that deep bezel protects your screen. It kind of gives you an extra layer of protection whenever your phone falls face first. That bezel keeps your screen from hitting the ground or hitting whatever it fell on. So having that deep bezel is an absolute awesome perk. So the front casing of this case comes with that built-in screen protector and also that deep bezel as well. The second layer is the hard back casing that also contains the rubber-like material on the sides, and this is perfect for drops and bumps because that rubber absorbs a lot of the impact and prevents your phone from taking the brunt of the hits. So very nicely done. I love the hard back casing. I love the little bit of I think it looks kind of like a gunmetal design towards the camera, and it makes for a really nice touch. It's a nice addition to the back of this case. The back of the case also features really nice and accurate cutouts for your camera. There's a lot of room there and it's not interfering with the camera lens at all. And also on top of that, the back of the case also features a pop-out stand. Now this is really nice, really handy. I love this feature because it's something that you can use when you're FaceTiming or when you're watching videos or movies or whatever. It just allows you to be hands-off with your phone and be able to prop it whether vertically or horizontally to watch whatever you're watching at the time. So it's a nice little touch. It's one of those nice little pluses that I love about this case. This UB Pro series case also allows wireless charging. It's compatible with most Qi wireless chargers and is absolutely fantastic. I haven't had any issues with the wireless charging functionality. I used to have an old, I think it was a Gorilla Gadgets case that said it had wireless charging, but whenever I tried it on a wireless charging platform, it never worked. So I had to unplug, take the case off and just put my phone directly into the charger. But with this case, I haven't had any issues with it. I plopped it on my wireless charger and it worked perfectly right off the get-go. For only $26, this case is an absolute steal. I think it does a very good job of mirroring what the OtterBox Defender series cases offered, and for half the price, I am honestly excited and super glad that I was able to find this case. I'll link it in the description below just in case you want to check it out. I got mine for the iPhone SE 2020, but whatever phone you have, I think they have a whole slew of different phones that will fit on these cases, so you can check it out and see if your phone is available for that. But I really love what this case has to offer. Really love the fact that it's a very good budget alternative. It's not flimsy at all, and honestly, I'm very impressed with the quality. The one thing that I'll have to say is a downside with this case is the screen protector scratches very easily. I've noticed that the scratches on the screen protector have added up very quickly. I keep my phone in the same pocket as my Beats Fit Pro, so that case, that wireless charging case rubbing on that screen has apparently scratched it. So that's the only downside. I'm actually thinking of maybe replacing the screen protector that's built in with putting in another one, or maybe putting having a layer on top of it. I don't know how I want to do that, but that's the one downside about this case that I've noticed over the few weeks of using it, is that scratches on the screen protector have really added up pretty quickly. So other than that, everything else has been fine. I haven't had any other issues with this case. So if you're definitely looking for a budget alternative and you do like that Defender series style cases, then this is definitely worth the look. I didn't know much about Supcase until I bought my MacBook Pro case from them a couple months ago. I was impressed with that, so I decided to take a chance and try out this UB Pro series phone case, and definitely not disappointed. Definitely a high quality case, very good. As I mentioned, outside of that scratching on the screen protector, everything else has been absolutely fantastic. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you're looking for a Defender series alternative, then I think this UB Pro series from Supcase is a good alternative to be able to give you exactly what you're looking for. So if you like this video, if it helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.